Okay, today this video is going to be a simple video. It's simply unpacking your printer case cutter, setting it up for the first time, and running it. Out of the package, you'll get a couple things. First off is our printer case custom making machine. Our tablet may or may come with your machine depending on the package, your cutting mat, and then the power cables and printer cable to attach it all together. So let's start. So as you'll see here, this is the machine out of the box. It comes complete like this. The mount may be or may not be on there. It's simple, just 2 screws that attach this. This is just what holds the tablet. There's a screw back here. You'll loosen it up. Attach your tablet. Secure it in place. Tighten the screw. Tablet's in place. Next, simple, we'll add our printer power cable or our cutter power cable. That attaches in so. Next is the cable that attaches the tablet. This goes into the right side of the machine. You could take this cable and just drape it around into the back. And then there's a USB plug on the left side of the tablet that you'll attach. It's pretty much that simple. Machine's now ready for power. It's powered on, tablet's connected. Now we'll install our mat that goes into the front of the machine. The installation of the mat is fairly simple. The first thing you'll want to notice is there's 3 roll heads here. You can't see the right one because the head's in the way. There's 2 ways to move this. You can move it by hand, or you can use the controls on here, which we show in another video, which is simple. But you just get it in the center so you can see all 3 of them. The mat comes like so. You put it in on the sides. You'll see this whole mat's sticky. These sides are not sticky. So these will be where the rollers go on. It will not go this way. It'll go in this way. And it's pretty simple. You'll just want to line a roller on the non-sticky, the left roller and the right roller on the right side on the non-sticky. So as you can see, they actually fit kind of perfectly. It doesn't matter if it's a little off left or right. You just want to get it as center as you possibly can. And then we'll tuck it back here to where it flattens it back here. This levels it to keep it going in and out straight. So we'll get left roller on that side, right roller on the right side, and it's tucked to back against this, so you can see what that looks like. So again, from another angle, your left and right roller, and then it goes back here, so that's what keeps the mat going in straight. And that's it for the mat installation. And after the mat is installed, there's a lever here that lifts the wheels up and down. Pushing it down lowers the wheels, lifting up lifts the wheels up so you can insert the mat. So now that the mat's in place, we'll place it down. Now it's ready to create custom cases. After the machine's been turned on, you'll see a screen that comes up on the little LCD. It'll show you your speed and your force. This should come default out of the package set up at speed 7 and force 510. If it is not, you simply adjust them with these controls on the bottom and top. The force can be adjusted by pressing the left arrow, which adjusts the force down, or adjusting it up. 510 is the max it goes. That's what the machine should be set to cut at. The speed, again, to go up, you're turning the speed up. To go down, we have it at the lowest speed that the machine will go. That is about all you'll need to know when adjusting the machine. Everything else doesn't need to be adjusted. If you did want to move the head to install the mat, you can move it by hand like I showed earlier, or you can press the on and off line, and you can press the left and right arrow, and that will adjust the head, and you can turn it off. If you want to reset the machine, you click reset. reset. But typically, you will not have to adjust any of this. It comes out of the box, ready to go, simple for you to create your custom cases.